Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. So today I'm bringing to you another very easy nail art. Without wasting time, let's just get started. First, I'll get the nail and come in with a white gel coat. After which, I'll cure it under the UV light for about 60 seconds. Next, I'll get my hot pink nail powder and rub it on one side of the nails. I'll get an orange nail powder and rub it on the other side. Next, I'll rub them kind of together in the middle part because I want to get rid of that very sharp gradient. I'm going for an ombre look, so I want them to descend gently into each other. And finally, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. So here we are with our vertical ombre nails. I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.